How to redeem Land's End gift card online. We are ready to help. Firstly, open up a browser that you prefer and search for Land's End. Then go ahead and tap on the first suggestion shown. You can even type in www.landsend.com on your URL address box. You will land here in the official web page. Now, first step is to sign in to your Land's End account. If you do not have one, make sure to create one. Then the first thing that you have to do is go ahead and shop an item from Land's End. So let's go and check out some of the items that they have for the latest. Here I have selected a gorgeous dress. Make sure to select a size and colors, then tap on Add to Bag. Next is to tap on Check Out or Continue Shopping if you want to add more items. Now right here at the very top, you will see apply a promo code. You simply have to tap on it. If you just have a promo code, enter it right here. If you have a pin, tap on my promo code has a pin and enter your pin right here in the dialog box. Then tap on apply. You will see some of the discount in your total. Once it is done, tap on checkout and continue with the payment using PayPal or any of the medium that you want to. And just like that, you'll be able to redeem your Land's End gift card. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.